it's Jan from velomobielworld.com, and we work, of course, on velomobiles, but we also work on our website. So have a look on the technical support. We made here for the electric installation, as you can see here underneath, technical support. Then you go, for example, to bulk, and under the first chapter, Electra. Computer is not too fast, or the internet is not too fast. Here we have added all electric diagrams, and of course we are working on other diagrams. As you can see here on the right side, there's a banner showing up. So what we made is a page where we give a lot of information. So if you're a beginner, you have all kind of information. If you know already some more, we give all kind of information. So have a look on our website, on the technical support, also on this new page, Your Velomobile Journey. What can we improve? What is really good? Let some comment behind here in the comment section. You can send me also an email on jan@velomobielworld.com. What would you like to see improve? And have a great weekend. Bye bye.